The Overlord. Blackout. The Overlord requires high volumes of energy for use on new projects. In order to reduce energy consumption, he has demanded a 24-hour ban on all energy use. Darkness has fallen on Novus. So during this round, each player will draw one community card into the neutral area and use it as their starting card at the beginning of the turn. Each player will then draw one faction card and play that faction card during their faction phase, whether or not the starting card contains one or not. So that's an important fact. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and play from this side. We're going to draw a card, then move it, because you have to play it. Now this particular case, the draw is very good. So I would say -1, 2, +1, +1, so to fulfill the +2 and +1. So that is about as ideal a move phase as you can have, right, for a random starting card. However, you also have to play a random faction card. And in this case, I get Scarecrow, which is move all opponent loyalist recruits, randomly shuffle, but there's only 2, and then move them to your side and lock them in for the round. So it can show you, as good as the move phase was as bad. I wasted a perfectly good legendary card to take 2 negative cards and lock them in for a round. So what it is a complete gamble situation that you cannot stop. You just hope for the best.